Hey everybody, Tom Stefanelli here. I'd like to thank you for stopping by my page. And I just wanted to share my story. You know, I've been in the networking industry for about 6.5, 7 years now. And it's had its ups and downs. But I'll tell you, the momentum that we've got going on right now in my company, FDI, is just incredible. 10 weeks ago, President and founder Bill Andreoli, you know, he launched something that is just totally new to the industry, and it's pharmacy discount cards, where we have the ability to give pharmacy discount cards away for free that saves people money, and every single time they use it and save money, we make money. It's incredible. You know, like I said, we have so much momentum going on. We're breaking records daily, and our team is literally exploding across the country. You know, and I'm here to tell you that if you're out there and you're looking for an opportunity and you're looking for another way to generate income, FDI is the better way. Because with our opportunity and with our simple systems that we have in place, invite, expose, and close, and forget about the nose, you know, it's so simple. And, you know, we have, like I said, we have the ability to give something away for free that saves people money and we make money. It can't get any easier than that. So, you know, share your story, let people know what you have, and don't hesitate. You know, let them know. So if you want more information about FDI and, you know, you want to find out how you can become part of FDI, go to www.fdiexpert.com. Leave your information on my page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and I'm looking forward to talking with you. Have a great night, and God bless.